Ja! Rastafaro. Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem Pierre. If you're new, welcome to the vibes. Today I'm going to be answering a question I get so much. What is the difference between full spectrum sea moss and the regular golden sea moss that we see all over the place? And quite simply, the only difference between these two is one, this full spectrum has color. It's so beautiful. There's some purples in here. There's some greens in here. There's some pinks, some browns. It's a lot of different colors. And then this regular sea moss is really just that golden brownish color. And the only difference between these two different sea mosses is the full spectrum sea moss is dried in the shade. So the full spectrum sea moss is not dried in the sun like this one is. So this one is actually this color because the sun dries it and removes all the color from it. So when we harvest these sea mosses, we harvest from the same place. They come out of the water looking the exact same. But when we go to dry them, this one, it dries in a dark room and this dries in the sun. So that's really the only difference between the actual sea moss itself. And then when we look at, well, what's the difference of using it? Is there any differences? Well, this sea moss, the full spectrum sea moss, is so much stronger of a smell. It tastes much more of the sea, ocean, kind of fishy taste. So if you are, like, you don't like flavor at all, you want your sea moss to be flavorless and neutral, which is so amazing about sea moss, then don't get the full spectrum. This is that potency. This is so potent. This is more for the connoisseurs. If you've already tried sea moss or you really just want the purest product possible, then the full spectrum is gonna be the one for you. Now, this one, as it dries in the sun, it loses all of its color, but with it losing its color, it also loses its flavor, its smell, and also some of the nutrients. And when we're looking at the nutrients, we're looking at phytonutrients, which are the smaller plant nutrients that come with the color. So in a previous video, I spoke about how important it is to have color. Like, don't count calories, count colors. And this sea moss, the purple, has different phytonutrients in it. The same purple that you're gonna see in cacao and grapes and wine and blueberries, that's the nutrients in here. So they're gonna have some more nutrients than the golden, but when it comes to the benefits, both of these sea mosses are going to get you great results. Both of these sea mosses are going to get you the benefits that you desire. It's gonna be having all of the energy, gonna give you that vibrancy in your day-to-day. It's gonna be great for your hair, skin, nails, joints, bones, amazing for your thyroid, amazing for the gut, amazing for mucus removal and your immune system. All those, I can go on and name all the benefits of the sea moss, but just know that both of these sea moss are gonna get you your results. The full spectrum sea moss is a little bit stronger, a little bit more potent taste and smell, and it's dried in the dark, in the shade. This regular sea moss is dried in the sun and it loses its color and it also loses its taste, its flavor, its smell. It's very neutral and just very like chill. So this is more of a starter sea moss. If you're just getting started, use this sea moss. If you're more of a connoisseur or want the most potent product possible, you're gonna go for this one. And just note that with the full spectrum sea moss, since it's dried in the darkness, a lot of the times it just comes with a little bit more salt. The salt accumulates on the sea moss as it's drying, and meanwhile, the golden sea moss is not really gonna have much salt on it. So other than that, there's really no difference. It comes from the same source, y'all. So that should answer all the questions on the difference between full spectrum sea moss and regular sea moss. If not, put some comments, some questions in the comment section below, or just reach out to me, holla at me, we'll get those answered, all right, y'all? So giving thanks. Y'all have any more questions, write it below. And if not, send this to anyone who's confused, who wants to learn a bit more, and just sending y'all love and balance. We're getting a lot more sea moss these days as we're going past COVID. So you can check our website, sign up for notifications to find out when we do restock. Other than that, y'all, just stay blessed, keep cultivating that sense of self, and keep bringing that best version of yourself every moment. All right, y'all, sending love and balance. Catch y'all on the next one. Ja! Rastafaro.